How to enter embed code on Wix website. The first thing you want to do is select the section that you're going to embed your code. So let's say, for example, right here. After doing that, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on Add Elements. Once you have selected Add Elements, you're going to select Embed Code. Then from Embed Code, you're going to tap on Embed HTML. After selecting Embed HTML, you're going to see this pop up appear. So let's say, for example, we want to embed this code. I'm going to simply tap on Copy Code, then go back into Wix, and from here you want to ensure that you have selected code, and you're going to paste the code that you would like to use. After you have pasted the code, if you were to simply close out of this, it won't be embedded. And also, if you were to scroll down, you won't see the section to tap on enter for it to be embedded. So what you'll need to do is scroll down a bit, as you can see right here. Then you're going to select the box. So you're going to tap right where you see your embed code, and you're going to see the option update. You want to tap on update. After tapping on update, you can now tap on the X to close the pop-up. Then from there, you can adjust how your embed. So from there, you can select how your embed widget looks, as you can see right here, by simply pulling along the box. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.